Welcome to the end of the gig hacking mini course. I just want to recap the 3 key points that we've just covered. One is about how bright the future is, and that is based on the transition of a larger to smaller project management apparatus inside organizations that need to look for and develop micro tasks. Number 2 is your domain offering. Your domain offering is basically being able to design your offerings in such a way where your micro tasks are very clear and you have extremely objective ways to engage buyers and to work with them. And finally is collaboration, which is creating value both horizontally and vertically by working with people in your platform and outside the platform, so that you can take buyers that come into that buy from you and have an ecosystem that you can service them by adding more value. Finally, I'd like to leave you with one last thought. This course was created because it was demanded to be created. I'd love for you to like this, leave comments. Your comments are really, really critical. Don't be afraid. I know a lot of you prefer to contact me directly. I don't mind, but the best way is actually to leave a public comment, because just like you may have a thought or an idea, there's probably another million people with the same concern, and it allows me to address it directly and openly so that many people also can benefit from this. If you've done some gig hacking techniques that have worked for you, please share them in the comments. I think others can learn from you, and we'd love to see how we can help enhance some of those existing gig hacking activities that you've taken on. So please engage in the comments, because I'd love to hear from you, and so would others. And that is the mini course on gig hacking. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, like the video, share your comments. See you in the next video.